welcome to Kids Family. And I am Lizzie. I am Jack. I am Henry. I am Melissa. And I am Kirsten. And today we're gonna do something challenge. So what challenge we can do? Another challenge, which we can do songs with the slime. It's red, my favorite color. That's red. So we just do the song with that. My favorite color is red, and my favorite color is blue, and my favorite color is purple. So we did a color song on Monday. So we just do this song. So my baby liked to do slime. So my daughter, so my baby daughter, so my baby daughter liked to do slime a lot. Okay now, so that time we can rest it from this. Yeah, so with the slime. Yeah. We like to do slime a lot of this. I do slime before when I was a kid. Yeah, so guys, if you know about for watching, thanks for watching my video. And comment down below which one is your video. I'll see you, bye!